Tired of spending hours in the kitchen, only to end up with meals that barely satisfy? What if I told you, there's one single appliance that does it all faster, easier, and better? This is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 6 Quart, your new best friend in the kitchen. With this thing, I've made juicy pulled chicken, perfect rice, fluffy cheesecakes, spicy chili, steamed salmon, boiled eggs, even creamy homemade yogurt. Just press a button, and it does the rest. You don't need to be a chef, you just need an Instant Pot. It's a 9-in-1 multi-cooker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, soft pan, yogurt maker, warmer egg cooker, and sterilizer. With 15 smart programs, cooking is foolproof. Just tap what you want and go. The 6-quart size is ideal for families or meal prep. It's made of stainless steel, easy to clean, and the steam release. Whisper quiet and safe. Honestly, it's changed the way I cook. I eat better, I save time, and I actually enjoy cooking now. So, click the link below and grab yours on Amazon today. Don't overthink it. Once you try it, you'll never look back.
Tired of mediocre coffee? Imagine cafe-quality drinks right at home, effortlessly. This machine is a game-changer for any coffee enthusiast. Meet the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier, the ultimate 3-in-1 system. It's designed for coffee lovers who demand perfection without the guesswork. This machine transforms your daily ritual into an art form. From rich espresso shots, balanced drip coffee, and even quick cold brew, this machine does it all. Enjoy double or quad espressos, classic and overized drips, and two cold brew styles. Your coffee cravings are covered. The Barista Assist technology guides you to perfection. It recommends grind size, uses weight-based dosing, and adjusts brewing for optimal flavor. The integrated conical grinder offers 25 settings for any bean. Achieve velvety microfoam with the hands-free dual froth system. Hot or cold, dairy or plant-based, it creates perfectly textured knobs every time. Say goodbye to manual frothing struggles. Assisted tamping ensures perfect pops for bold shots. Plus, integrated storage keeps all your accessories neatly organized. This sleek stainless steel machine is a true kitchen centerpiece. Ready to transform your coffee experience? The Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier is a game-changer, rated 4.5 stars by hundreds of enthusiasts. Click the link in bio to discover more, and bring cafe luxury home today.